Welcome to Review Lab. The best low chair is probably one of the most underrated pieces of furniture you can add to your outdoor or indoor relaxation setup, offering unparalleled comfort and a unique perspective that traditional chairs simply can't match. Perfect for everything from beach trips and camping adventures to cozy reading nooks and casual patio lounging, truly transforming how you unwind and enjoy your surroundings. Number 5. GCI Outdoor Kickback Rocker Camping Chair. Unwind by the campfire or sideline in this low-profile rocking chair. It features a convenient carry strap and secure chair straps, leaving your hands free for snacks or a cooler on any adventure. Perfect for sports games or backyard BBQs, this chair is ready for anything. It includes a built-in beverage holder, a secure phone pocket, and excellent back support, ensuring you enjoy more time outdoors. Experience gentle rocking on any terrain, thanks to its patented spring-action rocking technology. A tough steel frame supports up to 250 pounds, complemented by a durable mesh backing for refreshing airflow. Get ready to relax in no time with its incredibly easy setup. Simply push the backrest and armrests apart, and you're good to go. Packing it up is just as quick and simple. This robust chair supports up to 250 pounds, yet weighs only 10.6 pounds. Its thoughtful design ensures both stability when open and compact storage when folded, making it ideal for any adventure. What we like? This chair features patented spring-action rocking technology, offering a smooth rock on any terrain. If you love relaxing outdoors and want a portable rocking experience, this is perfect for campfires or sidelines. Its low-profile design and built-in drink holder make it ideal for comfortable, hands-free enjoyment. What people say. Number 4. Best Choice Product Swivel Gaming Chair. Enhance your experience with this chair's multiple adjustable positions. It allows you to sit, relax, or recline with ease. Plus, its adjustable back cushion provides excellent lumbar support. This chair is perfect for all your favorite activities. Whether you're enjoying shows, games, or books, it offers added support. Its padded armrests also double as convenient handlebars for easy transport. Control your entertainment space with its convenient design. The adjustable back cushion folds onto the padded seat for low-hassle storage. Simply fold it away when not in use. Crafted with a soft, removable polyester cover and plush yet firm foam, it's designed for durability. A sturdy steel frame ensures long-lasting use. Its machine-washable base also protects your floors from scratches. Experience complete freedom of movement with its 360-degree swivel feature. Steel ball bearings on a sturdy circular base provide all-around mobility. Best of all, it requires absolutely no assembly. What we like? This floor chair offers incredible versatility with its 360-degree swivel and 6 adjustable positions. If you're looking for a multi-purpose chair for gaming, reading, or watching TV, its adaptability is a huge plus. The foldable design and lumbar support make it great for small spaces and extended comfort. What people say. Number 3. Cascade Mountain Tech Folding Camp Chair. This low-profile chair is perfect for any outdoor adventure, from camping to concerts. It's incredibly versatile, lightweight, and folds up easily for transport. Experience ultimate relaxation with its breathable mesh fabric. Plus, the cushioned armrests provide extra comfort for long periods of sitting. Measuring just 22 inches high and 20 inches wide, it sits low to the ground, ideal for campfire gatherings. When you're done, it folds quickly to a compact 26 by 8 inches for easy storage. Carrying it a breeze, weighing under 7 pounds. It comes with a handy storage bag and shoulder straps, making transportation and storage incredibly convenient. Don't let its lightweight design fool you, this chair is built tough. Its strong steel and aluminum frame can comfortably support up to 250 pounds. What we like? This camp chair is designed for ultimate portability and convenience, folding up fast into a handy storage bag. If you need a lightweight, low-profile chair for various outdoor events like camping or beach trips, its compact size is a major advantage. The breathable mesh fabric ensures comfort even on warm days. What people say. Number 2. PU Leather Ergonomic Office Chair. Experience superior comfort with this executive desk chair. It's crafted from quality waterproof and stain-resistant PU leather, ensuring durability and a natural, sophisticated look. Enjoy personalized support with its 3.94-inch height adjustment and 360-degree swivel. Its curved, padded backrest provides ergonomic lumbar support, effectively relieving back pressure. Maximize your workspace with its innovative flip-up armrests. Simply lift them and slide it under your desk, saving valuable space in your home or office. This chair features heavy-duty, silent rubber wheels that protect your floors. It also boasts an SGS-certified gas lift, supporting up to 275 pounds for robust reliability. Take a break and recline with its simple rocking function. Just pull the handle to tilt back comfortably, and push it in to lock your position. Assembling this chair is a breeze, taking only about 15 minutes with the included video or manual. Its cushion frame is made from FSC-certified wood for quality assurance. What we like? This office chair stands out with its innovative flip-up armrests, allowing it to tuck neatly under your desk to save space. If you have a smaller home office or need a versatile chair that can rock for relaxation, this one is an excellent choice. Its ergonomic design and PU leather provide both comfort and a professional look. What people say. Number 1. Steelcase Gesture Office Chair. This chair redefines your relationship with seating. It expertly adjusts to your unique body and various work postures. Designed for diverse users and postures, it's perfect for those needing a precise fit. You'll find it ideal for extended periods of sitting. It boasts wheels for carpet, 360-degree arms, and a contoured back supporting your spine. All intuitive adjustments are conveniently located on the right side. This high-quality chair offers a full recline range with 3 distinct settings. It also includes an upright back lock and intuitive adjustment mechanisms. Engineered for high performance, it helps you achieve your best work. Backed by extensive research and innovation, it meets unwavering standards for quality and sustainability. What we like? This premium office chair is engineered for extended use, featuring an ergonomic design that adapts to your body and posture. If you sit for long periods and prioritize a precise, comfortable fit, its intuitive adjustments and 360-degree arms offer unparalleled support. It's built for those who demand the best in workspace comfort and productivity. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.